This is my mini octopus. I don't know if you've ever seen one. Let me open them up for you. But do you see? So get yourself around 2 quarts of water, 2 bay leaves, 1 clove of whole garlic, 1 beer. We're using Tunnel to Towers Braves Golden Ale. So it's a golden ale. I wouldn't use a dark beer. You can use wine, but I actually like the way beer tenderizes better. Like that. You're gonna take your little octos, drop them in, set a timer, watch them cook up real quick. Alexa, set a timer for 15 minutes. So while our octopus is boiling, it takes around 20 minutes, those little ones. I just parboiled 3 Yukon Gold potatoes, and now I cut them into wedges. I'm gonna roast them. I boiled them first. That helps you get a crispier skin without overdoing the potato. Listen to that again. Parboil your potatoes in salt water, let them cool, cut them, and now roast them. This cooks the inside of the potato without burning them in the roasting. The little octos, now they're really little. Aren't they so cute? So you're literally, I just drained them and let them cool for a minute. Gonna cut them in half. We want them to lay on the plate. Have this cast iron on, nice and hot. Put a little bit of olive oil on the side. And now we're just gonna put in, potatoes fresh out of the oven. Do you see this crisp? Do you see my hand? Hot. Do you see this? Do you? Do this is family style, so we're gonna do a big platter. And I'm literally gonna put some of the salsa down in the middle. And we're gonna put some potatoes down. Now we're gonna layer our octo right over those potatoes. And then we're gonna take our pepper salad, our roasted peppers, and just kind of put them in between those potatoes. Turn your salsa on the side. Just get a little bit of that vinaigrette right on top. First of all, it's so freaking tender. Melts in your mouth. Second of all, the Yukon creaminess, the acid from the salsa, the sweetness of the pepper, the vinegar. I've outdone myself. I have. Well, enjoy.